Man, what are we gonna do in this life? Sweetie cheeseburger, hamburger, like chicken. The stuff I want, like McDonald's. I like McDonald's. McDonald's for life, like black cats. Don't have a brain. But here's black people and black cats. You see?
You idiot.
Black cats.
Yes, I'm a cat and I really am black.
Yes, I'm Garfield and it's really is fast. And I hope everybody can see with that, mommy. Man, what are you talking about? Eden?
You want to send it?
You too.
It's up.